for example, includes an insurance executive, 2 school teachers, and the CEO of a large Florida banking consortium. The new marketing tactics put a different breed of customer on hogback. And why not? Malcolm Forbes and other friends in high places had made Harley respectable. Great free publicity against the competition. Kawasaki Vice President for Marketing, Bob Moffett.
The fact that Harley-Davidson and motorcycles are part of the lives of a lot of well-known, respected people, whether you're talking about the Malcolm Forbes of the world, or the Jay Lenos, or the Mickey Rourke's, or any number of people from a variety of backgrounds. Harley has played that marketing card very, very effectively.
Indeed, classic Harleys are now for sale in pricey stores like the Sharper Image. Evidence that all the changes came together for Harley. Latest figures show them dominating the market with 62% of big bike sales, up from 28 in 1985. During the same time, Honda's share was steadily shrinking. But as impressive as Harley's comeback is, there's a catch. As their market share grew, overall U.S. sales dipped. So Milwaukee now targets overseas. Harley's found its largest export market in Japan. Japanese Harley buyers are lured by the same pitch Harley gives in the U.S. When you buy a Harley, you buy heritage, you buy adventure, you buy the lure of the open road.
Stone is on assignment right now in Los Angeles. But Stone, you know, that kind of comeback is the sort of story we'd love to be able to report about other U.S. businesses. Why can't we?
Hugh, the message from Harley executives has been, if we can do it, you can do it. But this is a company that's had aces up its sleeve. For instance, right here in Hollywood, celebrities have posed for free with their motorcycles for Harley's brochures and promotional literature. Malcolm Forbes and Elizabeth Taylor, the sight of those two riding around on a Harley probably did as much as anything to change the image, and it didn't cost the company a penny. So they got smart, but they also got lucky with some free publicity that other companies just can't count on.
That's very interesting. My son is a Harley owner, and my father was also.
But I remember when you were off on your motorcycle and did yourself a little damage.
Yeah, got chewed up. That was not a Harley.
That was, I see. It was your fault, huh?
Right.
Well, I'm Barbara Walters.
And I'm Hugh Downs.
And for everyone here at 2020, we thank you for watching. Good night.
Good.
In the manufacturing arena, Harley's just-in-time program stressed 3 basic elements: people involvement, quality management, and just-in-time inventory management. The following plant tour video will help us to understand how this was done. The revitalized management team at Harley-Davidson started first by involving its workers. Being nearly broke, Harley rediscovered the best low-cost consultants they had, their workers. Harley's people involvement program enlisted all levels in their desperate program to survive. Workers such as these on their final assembly line, and these doing final product startups, as well as these engine assembly workers. Each of these workers renewed his or her commitment to make and assemble parts of the highest quality. Given the market's demand for high-quality product, each worker, such as the woman fabricating trunk components, assumed ownership of her workstation and of the quality of the products being produced. Robots were important, but the people maintaining them proved even more important. Both labor and management were united by basic survival instincts, a love for the product, and years of experience. The second key element in Harley's just-in-time program was quality management. They knew that their Japanese competitors held the high ground. So they set out to achieve product standard levels capable of restoring Harley's reputation for high quality. Initially, they focused on doing the basic manufacturing tasks well. They feared that the market would not wait for them to completely redesign their product line. So they started to do the simple things better. They introduced new classic bikes that would appeal to their traditional customers. Increased emphasis was placed on the trim and finish of their existing designs. They adopted and mastered new manufacturing technologies capable of holding to product design specification. They adopted numerical controlled machines, such as this tube bender, to produce smaller lots of high-quality exhaust system components. They invested in flexible forms of automation, such as this machining center, which is capable of achieving economic order quantities of 1. The automatic tool changer allows more than one machining operation to be performed without additional setups. Note how the tombstone fixture enables one set of parts to be affixed while another is being machined. While they have adopted statistical process control, whenever possible they use automatic testing to assure that each part conforms to its specifications. Elaborate testing procedures now assure that Harley's products measure up to their high product standards. These results are continuously being analyzed by Harley's engineers as part of its continuous improvement program. And a combination of automation and the caring touch of involved workers strives to maintain Harley's high standards in the critical painting area. In short, Harley-Davidson responded to the quality imperative. The third basic element of Harley's manufacturing strategy is its new inventory systems. Harley's inventory pull system now means that only those parts that are needed to support planned production are made or purchased. It is hard to show you work in process inventory that does not exist anymore, but we can show you one of the buildings that used to be full of work in process inventory, and a completed bike being shipped rather than being set aside to await a missing part. The investment in flexible automation enables Harley to make small production runs, thereby reducing work-in-process inventory. The resulting reductions in work-in-process inventory provided a cash flow windfall for this financially strapped firm. More importantly, it put Harley's back where they belonged, back on the road. Today, Harley-Davidson is living proof that American firms can compete by using and improving on the Japanese manufacturing management techniques described in Chapter 15 of your Adam and Ebert text. It doesn't take a whole lot of investment in equipment, just a well-thought-out investment in people. Well made in America, indeed.